fuck?
I think that's the thing. I think that's lore, actually.
It's lore.
That's lore.
That's lore.
Dude, Chatty, one time in 2020, I was in a GDS call with Chatty, and they were playing Calculator Core. And somebody left their stream at, I think, 18%, and he started screaming at everybody in the
What? I just beat Trueffet! What? I just fucking beat. I flew you from 60. What the fuck? What the fuck?
You beat Trueffet? Did you just beat Trueffet?
What the fuck?
Yosh,
No way.
fuck you.
What the-
Actually,
What?
fuck you.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Luke Trueffet from 60.
Yosh, come on
What?
now.
You're not
real,
real.
dude.
Oh my
You're
god!
trolling, you're trolling.
Dude,
Is that
there's no
world?
way.
Is that
On my mom's
There's no
life.
fucking way.
On fucking
is that
god.
world record, Luke? Is
Send
that
me
world
a snap.
record?
Send me a snap. Send me a snap.
Oh,
no
yeah, I got you. Wait, this is going straight to Zell.
There's
bro.
no
Oh my
way.
god!
Send the Trueffet stuff.
You actually beat
Holy
the
shit.
Wait,
There's no
What
there's
the
no
fuck?
way! There's no way!